In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save passwords safely with Mozilla Firefox, step by step, so you can keep your logins organized, protected, and easy to use across your favorite websites. This is a great feature if you want Firefox to remember your usernames and passwords for you, while also adding extra protection with a primary password and breach alerts. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-line menu icon. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, find and click the Passwords and Autofill section. This is where Firefox manages your saved logins and password options. Now, the first thing you want to do is turn on Ask to Save Passwords. When this setting is enabled, Firefox will prompt you anytime you sign into a website so you can quickly save that login for later. This makes logging in much faster and helps you avoid retyping passwords over and over again. Next, go to a website and sign in with your account. As soon as Firefox detects the login, it should ask whether you want to save it. When that prompt appears, click Save. Firefox will then securely store your username and password so you can use them again in the future without having to remember every single login manually. Now, let's make this even safer. Stay in the password section, scroll down, and click Set Primary Password. This is an important security step because it adds another layer of protection to all the passwords saved in Firefox. Enter a strong password that you can remember, confirm it, and then click OK. Going forward, Firefox will require that password before showing or filling your saved logins, which helps keep your accounts more secure if someone else uses your device. After that, you should also turn on breach alerts. Still in the password section, enable show alerts about passwords for breached websites. This feature is extremely useful because Firefox will warn you if any of your saved passwords appear in a known data breach. That gives you the chance to change compromised passwords quickly before someone else can misuse them. And that's really the best part of using Firefox password tools. Convenience and security working together. You get quick sign-ins, stronger protection with a primary password, and proactive alerts if one of your accounts may be at risk. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy tutorials on browser features, security settings, and everyday software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.